Hey guys, so this is the final look of my stove cover that my daughter made for me. And it's just made out of wood, and I added some handles to it. And of course I can take this off of the stove. There's the stove underneath there. I could take this off and use it as a tray if I wanted to. I think it turned out really pretty, and I think it's just going to be a wonderful addition to my kitchen and make my kitchen look so much cuter, I think, and smarter. But I love it. I thought it turned out great. So until next time, bye bye.